Hi, nowadays most of the new moms are concerned about low milk supply. Am I making enough milk? This is a common question asked by feeding moms. The fact is that 97% of women can actually produce enough milk. So there is a high chance that you are only doubting yourself and in fact you are making sufficient milk to feed your baby. However, if you still want to increase breast milk production, Ayurveda has wonderful herbs and natural methods. I am going to make one traditional drink which is recommended by grandmother to young lactating mothers to increase milk supply. For this, you just need 3 ingredients. Number 1, fennel seeds. Fennel seeds, also known as somf, are excellent choice for increasing the production of breast milk in new moms. It has abundance of phytoestrogen which triggers mammary glands to secrete milk. Additionally, it also improves digestion of newborns. Number 2, fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are the best herbs for breastfeeding mothers to increase milk production. These seeds are loaded with galactagogue, which can enhance breast milk supply. It was also scientifically proved to significantly increase milk. I will use these crushed fenugreek seeds. These crushed fenugreek seeds are easy to boil. Number 3, cumin. Cumin seeds, also called jeera, are good source of iron which increases milk production in lactating mothers. They are traditionally used to cure low breast milk supply in nursing mothers. Let's see how to make this. Take a big glass of water, around 400 ml or 14 ounces. Add this water to a saucepan. Now add 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. To this, add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. I am using crushed fenugreek seeds which you can quickly infuse into the water. You can also use whole fenugreek seeds. Toss in just half tablespoon of cumin. Don't add too much cumin, just a half tablespoon is enough. Now bring it to boil on low flame. You can optionally cover the saucepan with a lid. It can take around 5 minutes to start boiling. After it is boiled, reduce the flame to simmer. Let it simmer like this for 5 more minutes. After that, switch off the stove. Wait for the contents to slightly cool down. Using a tea strainer, strain the concoction to filter out solid stuff. Don't take this all in one go. It is better to divide it into 3 parts and take 3 times a day. For example, take 1/3 of this concoction in the morning, in the afternoon, and again left over in the evening. This way, you are slowly adding the nutrients to your body and your body can continuously produce milk. You can reheat this liquid on stove whenever needed. This is slightly bitter, but you can take it easily. If you want to enhance the taste, add a little jaggery to this. Along with this, increase feeding sessions. The more often you feed your baby, the more demand for the milk. This increased demand in turn produces more milk. Sleep whenever possible. Try to sleep along with your baby frequently. Sleep can restore your body's ability to produce more milk and keeps you out of stress. Drink plenty of water. Have a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, garlic, cashews, fish and flax seeds. Ayurveda also recommends shatavari herb, which is a powerful galactagogue, but you should consult Ayurvedic doctor before taking this herb. Thank you. If you like this video, please hit like button, subscribe and come back for more interesting videos. Love to see you again.